On behalf of the ownership, management, and all of us at Leisure Travel Vans and Triple ERV, we'd like to wish you all a warm welcome to Winkler, Manitoba.
Our vision for the 2018 Leisure Travel Van Rally is for you to experience connection. So some of you have been very intentional and you've driven thousands of miles to Winkler, Manitoba. One thing that is going to happen, if not already, friendships have started to develop.
Hey, we want to thank everybody for coming to the 2018 Customer Leisure Travel Van Rally. We had a great time. We had 80 coaches here, over 160 people. What a great time with all the factory tours. We had seminars, plus we got to see the brand new 2019 Mercedes-Benz chassis. How exciting was that? We want to thank everybody from coming from all over North America to beautiful Winkler, Manitoba. Can't wait to see you. Dean from Leisure Travel Vans.